The government of Sudan has recently announced the launch of an ambitious emergency plan to rebuild and revitalize the country's industrial sector. The initiative aims to stimulate economic growth, create jobs, and strengthen Sudan's industrial competitiveness following years of economic challenges and underinvestment in the sector. The Emergency Industrial Recovery Plan includes several key measures, including tax incentive for investors, vocational training programs for the local workforce, initiatives to improve industrial infrastructure, and efforts to promote the export of Sudanese infrastructure goods. Sudan's government is keen to diversify the country's economy and reduce its dependence on traditional industries like agriculture and mining. By investing in the industrial sector, Sudan hopes to stimulate job creation for its young and dynamic population, while at the same time strengthening its capacity to produce high-valued added goods for the domestic and international markets. Economic observers are of the opinion that the success of this plan would depend on the effective implementation of economic reforms, the creation of a job-friendly environment, and the mobilization of domestic and foreign investment. They also stress that for this initiative to be successful in the long term, it is important to ensure transparency, good governance, and the fight against corruption.